Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to QC Dads, YouTube's favorite tech dad. First off, I want to say shout out to all my subscribers out there. Otherwise, I want to give you guys my first impression of the AirPod Pros. So I've been using the original AirPods since 2016, but before then I've been really huge on Bose. But otherwise, hang around to the end of the video. I got some rumors that I just digged up that you may have missed, and you may want to consider holding off if you are considering buying these. So the first thing I noticed, and this is just coming from using active noise cancellation headphones for such a long time, primarily Bose, but I have used Beast as well, is when the active noise cancellation is on these particular Bluetooth headphones, the AirPod Pros, is you don't hear a hissing sound when you don't have any music on. So if you're in the library and you really don't want to turn your music on, you can actually turn the active noise cancellation on and not have to worry about that hissing sound, so you can block out all the ambient noise. Kudos to Apple on that. Now, the other thing that I noticed is that it is a bit of a challenge kind of getting these, you gotta kind of grab it, kind of getting these out the case. It's a bit of a challenge, and that could be because I've been using the original AirPods for such a long time and I've just gained muscle memory. But I will say it is a little bit of a challenge. And the thing with these AirPods is, first, it's really all about convenience, just popping them out and putting them in your ear. But it does take a little bit more effort. Again, this is just first impressions. This is not a full review. But that's the one thing I notice, is it does take a little bit more effort to get these out of the case itself. And I will say it's very easy to turn the active noise cancellation on and off just by pressing the stem of the actual AirPods. And I'll kind of show you. You just kind of put them in your ear, and then you can just press down to turn it on, I believe for a few seconds, which is really nice. The thing I've noticed is there's no way to turn the active noise cancellation on and off from the actual Mac itself. So could be something that they update at a later date, but at this point in time, there's no way to turn the active noise cancellation on and off from your Mac. Another thing I noticed, and this is just known from the fact that I do have a pair of Bose QC30s, is the fact that you can adjust the level of active noise cancellation similar to some of the Bose headphones on the market. Not sure if the new Beats can do it or not, but I do know that you can't adjust how high or how low or how much active noise cancellation that you want. So unlike my Bose, with this you only can connect to one device at a time. Now with the Bose, I can actually connect to my Mac and my iPhone at the same time. Now I will say switching between devices is really easy. Once you pair these with your iPhone, they simply just connect to any other devices you have connected on your iCloud account, which is pretty nice. And that does add that level of convenience that I think most of us are looking for with Bluetooth headphones. On top of that, I will say putting these in your ear, it's really easy. Right now I'm just looking at you guys in the camera, but putting them in is very easy to put in your ears. It's no effort, there's really no adjustment. They're in your ears and then that's it. Same thing with the original AirPods, it was very easy to put in your ear, but I feel like these are just a little bit easier. There's just no effort, there's no adjusting, they just go in your ear. Very, very easy. Which kind of brings me to my last point and my first impressions of these. These feel very secure in your ear. I don't feel as if these are going to fall out. They are very comfortable, but I just feel like they're not going to come out my ear, which is really nice in comparison to the original AirPods. I felt from time to time that they don't come out your ear, but I feel like they could come out my ear, but these just don't come out your ear. So the one thing I wanted to let you guys know is that The rumors pointed that they will be coming out with different colors. So I could definitely see Apple releasing these in different colors as the holiday season gets closer. I will say these white headphones, they can get real nasty in this case here. I would show you my original Airpods, but you may be kind of disgusted. I would say if you're interested in them, you may want to wait around for a different color. Otherwise, pretty much that's all I have for this video in terms of my first impressions. I appreciate you guys watching. If you're new to QC Dads, don't hesitate to subscribe to see more amazing videos. But I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.